When an equation contains two variables, solutions are ordered pairs. Each number in the pair replaces a letter in the equation. In this example, it's telling us to determine whether each of the following pairs is a solution of the equation 3x plus 4y equals 7. So here is the ordered pair given. The convention is x is listed first, followed by y. To determine that, we will replace the variables with the value given and see if we have an equal or true statement. So in place of x, I'll put the 1 given, and in place of y, I'll put the 1 that's given. And our question is, does this result in a true value? Simplifying multiplication first, we get 3 and 4, which add together to give us 7. And since this is true, we are going to say yes, a solution to the equation. In the second pair that's given, again, the first value is x, the second value is y. We will replace those values in the equation. So we have 3 times x, or negative 2, plus 4 times 0, and we're testing to see if that result is 7. Again, simplify multiplication first. We end up with a negative 6, and 4 times 0 is 0, which when added together is negative 6, not equal to 7. Because we didn't get an equality or true statement, we would say not a solution.